For $24.97, you're getting a hybrid work t-shirt, short sleeve, or snapback trucker hat. I'm gonna tell you this much right now. Don't buy these hats, or don't buy the t-shirt. Go over to the merch store, hook a brother up, get the merch from vcgconstruction.com/store. We're at the Milwaukee end cap, and they're doing a, when you spend $219 or more, they're gonna give you a free Packout crate. They're not forcing you to buy any number of boxes or any, maybe 3-piece system, or buying something you don't necessarily need. They're allowing you to mix and match whatever Packout crates, boxes, rolling boxes, totes, rolling tool chests, $229. You can see that in action right here. Okay, they're going to give you a free Milwaukee crate. It's a $50 value. It is very handy. There's also a whole lot of accessories now available for that Packout crate. You should go and check out all our content on it. They have some high green Viz jackets with pockets, safety vests, $19.97. They also have large performance gloves for people with large hands, as well as safety glasses, clear fog-free. I will tell you, the fog-free works really well. I like it. These are not my favorite safety glasses. They have hidden away some sweet deals in the back of the store. Here it is. They have Gen 2 M12 fuel, hammer drill and impact driver, the watered down version that you can sometimes get during certain sales where they throw in 2 CP 2.0s. This is including the XC 4.0 and a CP 2.0. You're getting that impact driver and hammer drill. They're giving you a case. They're giving you the terrible M12 charger. This is a good deal. Now, this is one I like this deal. I will tell you, this store is pumping right now. People are trying to score all the deals. They also have some mark out. The layout crew is gonna love it here, right? They have a 2-pack of ink saws. These fine tips, fine points, $1.97. They have the colored markers at $3.48. Then they have, I like these. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna grab these large chisel tips, 3 for $5. I like that a lot. Then they have, this is how you know it's the layout crew, because they have red chalk with a chalk box, 100-foot reel, $9.97. I like this, and it's geared 6-to-1, so it winds up real fast. You're gonna love it if you come to the back of the store. Your choice, $14.97. You got a 2-pack of Fastbacks. They're hiding these away. Come to the back of the store. 2-pack of Fastbacks, $14.97. Or if you like the multi-purpose Fastback, they have a 6-in-1 for $14.97. It's got a screwdriver at the rear, $9.97. Here it is, 50-pack of general purpose utility blades. Nah, man, because you're going to need them. For $200, you have this exclusive M12 12-volt 5-tool combo kit. Now, here is the important part. We have a 5-tool combo. We have one-handed recip saw. We have the Oscillating Multi-Tool, flashlight, drill driver, and impact driver. 2 amp-and-a-half batteries, charger, and a bag. Yo, $199. I think you'll get a lot of bang for your buck with this combination kit. You can get so many tasks done. I like this. My first M12 tools were standard M12 tools. There was no fuel when I adopted the M12 line. Here it is. $199. You're going to get a 5-amp-hour, 2-amp-hour, and a charge, right? You're going to get one of these free. So you're going to either get a Surge, Gen 3 hammer drill, random orbital sander. We have the standard. This is the standard M18 Oscillating Multi-Tool, or the Rover light. I'm going to tell you my favorite choice of what I'm seeing here with this $199 kit would definitely be that Rover light. I like this kit at $199. And I know not everybody has the extra hundo, but if you do have the extra hundo, I think you should consider buying the high output starter kit. You're getting a 2-pack of 6-amp-hour batteries. I believe this is coming with this is the multi-volt is it the rapid charger? Let's check it out. Let's check her out. Multi-volt charger. So it is not the rapid charger. It is the standard charger, but it's 2 6-amp-hour batteries. These are the newest Milwaukee batteries, 21700 cells. This is their best battery architecture. Okay, if you buy this kit at $299, you're going to get one of these for free. Now, here's the deal. I know what some of you are going to say. You're going to be like, oh, what the heck? It's the same serve, same hammer drill. Like why spend the extra money here? And the reality is that in addition to some other options, you're getting way more battery for your money. So you're getting much more battery. You're getting those two 6 amp hour HO batteries. And you're getting some other options for tools. Yo, they still have more Milwaukee deals. Here you go. They have these are a 3 pair of level 1 nitrile dipped, $9.88. Now, we did that video on those high dexterity gloves. I like the high dexterity a little bit better. 15-piece Shockwave impact duty titanium drill bit set, $24.97. This is not my favorite. I feel like we saw some reductions in the higher, I think it was 21 piece at the same price. We're gonna have to check up front to see. $19.97, 40-piece Shockwave impact duty driver bit set. Listen, here's the deal. You have a couple of those 2-inch double-sided bits. You have your 2-inch magnetic drive. You got a couple nut setters. You have some 2-inch bits here. My favorite is that number 3. I like that, although I'd love for it to be magnetized. It's a nice kit. It's not the highest feature-rich kit, but it's still a good kit. These are and I bought this one. We just didn't do a review on it because I put it right to work. But these are the Pilot Point. These are the Cobalt. I'm using these in the drill press. $34.97. You're paying a little bit more for these 15 pieces of drill bits, but the reality is that they're much harder. If you're making multiple, if you're drilling through, there you go, cast iron, which is very hard. I mean, you can cut through wood with these as well, but if you're cutting cast iron, you're going to want to check out the Cobalt drill bits. $24.97. They have a 45-piece Shockwave impact duty driver bit set. It's coming with that 6-inch extension, as well as quarter by. What is that? Is that half-inch? Quarter by half adapter. You have those double-sided bits in there. It's a nice little kit. I like that. Yo, I will tell you this much: $99.27 on that 29-piece Shockwave titanium drill bit set. You're getting that half-inch drill bit. Yo, nowadays, let's see, that bit alone is $17.97. So they have that Gen 2 combo kit, front and center out front here, as well as the M12 Fuel Hacksaw kit, coming with that 4 amp hour battery, marked all the way down to $149. Not a bad deal. $164. They have the 3-drawer tool box for Packout. They have the Packout tool tray here, $39.97. $24.97 on the large demolition gloves from Milwaukee, as well as a 3-pack of glasses for $19.97. They still have that axe deal, $269. They have the 6 amp hour battery at $119. $21.97 on the replacement chain, and $4.97 on the cut level 1 nitrile dip gloves. Once again, these are not the high dexterity. Don't get it twisted. Yo, look at this. They have a new deal. So they have string trimmer, hedge trimmer, leaf blower, or the switch tank. Buy any one of those, you're going to get a free 5 amp hour battery. I like that. Buy one of these. Now on the signage up front, they had the switch tank in there as well. But the quick lock trimmer, the hedge trimmer at $179, or the blower at $169, you're going to get a free 5 amp hour battery. They have so many deals. This is crazy. You know what's great about these newest outdoor power equipment tool deals from Milwaukee? They've realized things like blower require either more voltage or a high output battery. They've teamed up these with the high output battery, like it at $329. It might be a little bit more than you're used to paying for outdoor power equipment from Milwaukee, but you're getting that upgraded battery. You're getting an additional 6 amp hour battery for $169. I gotta be honest with you. Like, this is where you have to look at that starter kit. You're getting 2 batteries and a charger, the one in the beginning of the video. 2 batteries, 2 6 amp hour batteries, and a charger. Plus, you're getting a free bare tool at $299. It might make sense to go with the starter kit as opposed to just buying single batteries. $149 on the job site radio. We have the Briefcase Vacuum is at $129. We have more PPE, because I am the PPE master, because nobody wears more safety glasses than me. If you don't believe me, just ask me. $249 on that stringless brush trimmer. And that is coming with the 8 amp hour battery. I like that. And the best part about this brushless string trimmer is that it's part of the Quick Lock series. So Neil just corrected me, and I appreciate it. This is why the Very Cool Gang is the coolest community on the interwebs, because when I make a mistake, they're here to catch me before I fall. $249. You are getting that upgraded battery, but you are not getting, this is not quick lock. I'm sorry, I misspoke. Forgive me. This is one Milwaukee release. We did a video about this. I will tell you, this is my everyday carry flashlight. I love this flashlight. So they're saying that, it's pretty funny. So they're saying USB 3.0. The reality is that some of you have a big gripe on this this flashlight. I will tell you, they've made immediate improvements. This is Gen 1.5. I will tell you right now, right? Yo, this is 1100 lumens. I love this light because it has the focusable beams. Love it, love it, love it. $79.97. I believe it's up like $10 from where it was before. But this has definitely become, it's got a little extra length there, but it is worth it for the extra features. I like it. I think it's worth the money. They have rechargeable portable power supply. These are extra USB 3.0s and chargers. They have a 450, this is an internal battery headlamp. And I really, really like the magnetic, this is the stick light. This is a magnetic stick light. Now, here's the thing. This one is not rechargeable. This takes 2 AA's, but I really like it. Always comes in handy. Like, there are so many times this comes in handy. I do like the other carabiner style USB rechargeable light, but if you can't find it, this makes a good option. I like this a lot. I like it a lot. Yo, Neil says that this is a BOGO. Oh! Neil, you're a beast, cuz. Here it is. Neil called it. Buy this light, you're gonna get the additional battery and charger for free. Neil is he is, cuz you're a beast, bro. I love it. I love it. Thanks for the heads up. Yo, the Milwaukee deals are crazy right now. The electrician wire plier. No, these aren't the same ones. So these are not it. These are the wire strippers at $18.97. I like a wire stripper like that. A lot of people went nuts for these 6-in-1 pliers with comfort grip. These are at $19.97. Crazy, crazy, crazy. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yo, they went so crazy. I think they're all gone already. For $16.97, they also have the 25-foot auto lock. Remember, if you like not having to touch your tape to get an accurate reading, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do. There's over 1,000 of you here. You could have 7 years of good luck. 1,000 more people walking the planet with good karma. Close the chat for just a second and smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't hurt at all. Get 7 years of good luck. I'll tell you, $44.88. This is the 13-piece. This is bimetal wholesale kit. Look at it. You're getting everything from 3/4 all the way up to 3 inches, 2 arbors, 4 pilot bits, and it's a customizable case. I like this. And most important part is, in USA, Global Materials, here's the other thing. Limited lifetime tooth break warranty. If you were to rip a tooth off this hole saw, they will replace the hole saw for free. And it's also, this is not the older style hole saws. They have more holes and stuff to allow you to more easily remove the plugs. Yo, look at this. 99 pieces, okay, at $24.97. You're getting your 2-inch, I like this kit. Yo, it's like they only sold one out of here. So these are all Gen 3 Shockwave drill bit set, the drill bits. You're getting 2-inch, 1-inch. You're getting your longer, I believe these are 3-inch. You're getting specialty bits in here as well as your 2-inch magnetic drive. 99 pieces. That is a good deal. Yo, $19.97 was $24.97. I will tell you this much. This is a good right angle drive. We have a video on this. Here's the thing. Is it the best price ever? No, it's not the best price ever, but it's not a bad price. $20. If you need a right angle drill attachment, you don't want to buy a right angle drill, why not? That's what I say. That's how I say. Yo, $19.97, 3-piece countersink drill bit set. Here you go, compact. Yo, I like this. Compact power source. So you could put your M12 batteries in here. Then you're able to use this to charge smart devices and smartphones. Nothing wrong with that. You're looking at $49. It comes with all the bells and baubles, even the wall wart. Look at it, $49. 2-pack of 1.5 batteries, $69. And then this is one of my favorite tools of all time. This is the installation driver at $179. I like that. $39.97. This is the standard Shockwave Deep Impact socket set, $39.99. They have a 12. This is the M12 4 amp hour starter kit, 4 amp hour battery charger, $79. Not bad if you think about it. Think about the price of the battery itself, and you're getting this crappy charger with it. But just think about it, still a savings. We got the Packout. These are the tools that are available when you buy the starter kit at the back of the store. So we saw those starter kits earlier. These are the tools. You'll see the bare tool price. You know, at $2.99, you got those 2 batteries and a charger. You're able to pick some of these tools for free. Now let's look. I'm not seeing the other tools, but I'm sure they're here somewhere. Here are the Packout tumblers. You'll look at two. There's the 20 ounce and the 30 ounce tumblers. You'll see the prices. The M12 job site fan, tool only, $79. These are the other Milwaukee tools that are part of that promo. That's pretty funny, Neil. You tell them. You could always return if you don't like it. So here's the Surge at $169. Here is the Hammer Drill at $169. They have some other end cap deals. New lower price, you'll see here, $329, your choice. Either the 21 or 30 degree framers. Wow, they're down $20. You have the 15 gauge finish nailer, 16 gauge finish nailer, and the 2-gallon quiet compressor. Okay, your choice. The 18 gauge brad nailer and the crown stapler at $279. Love them, love them, love them. We have the Oscillating Multi-Tool. This is the M18 Fuel. One of my favorite Oscillating Multi-Tools, $229. Or the D-handle Jigsaw is now at $199. I like the barrel grip, it is what it is. $179 for the 5 amp hour starter kit coming, charger and battery. $99, 2-pack of XC 3.0s. We have a hacksaw reciprocating saw kit. Or the drill driver, impact driver combo kit coming 2 amp and a half batteries, charger and a bag, $99. Here is the compact router, and here is the hacksaw, $199 and $159. So this is also part of the deals at the back of the store. They got the compact drill driver, impact driver. That's coming 2 amp hour batteries. They're giving you an additional free 2 amp hour battery pack as well. Buy one of these kits. So this is the 5-tool combo kit, M18. We saw this at the back of the store as well. Wow, this is great. This makes it even better. Okay, $449 for that 5-tool combo. Every tool you could possibly imagine in there besides a recip saw or a sawzall, whatever you'd like to call it, okay? You have the Gen 3 hammer drill and impact driver at $399, or just the Gen 3 hammer drill at $299. Those are kits. Any one of those, okay? And you're gonna get one of these free bare tools, which includes the recip saw if you needed it, cut off grinder, 6.5 circ saw, or an additional 5 amp hour battery. They also have the brushless compact drill driver and impact driver at $149. Here's the thing. I mean, look, they're coming 2 amp hour batteries at $149 per piece. They're coming in that hard case. Here's the thing though, bang for the buck. You have to go combo kit at $199. You have to. Plus you're getting a free battery. I don't know. That's just me.